going on, everyone? This is Mike with Pitch Perfect Drones. We now offer 3 different packages for real estate photography. I've been a real estate agent for about 10 years now, and trust me, there's countless amount of times that I took buyers to showings where they're like, this isn't how it looked online, or they're made this room look 3 times bigger than it actually is, or the colors are all wacky. You know, that's not what I do. I take photos that are going to be a true representation to how the house actually is. That way, when any buyer goes to see your property, there's no surprises. So go on our website, check out the stuff that I've already done. We also do coming soon and just listed 30-second videos with the drone outside. This thing's got a 4K camera. It's more than capable of getting really, really crisp shots and stuff that you need to promote your listing. So go on our website, pitchperfectdrones.com, or give me a call, 609-432-6399, and let's talk soon.